user controller. Here will be path name API. Okay, API is API controller. Okay, now we will make some routes. If we here we will use controller route because we have some same routes. Okay, controller, user controller, class, it will be group, right? Callback function, and okay, now we'll make API. First get API for routes for user, registration, method will be store, okay. Next our will be login, okay. Then it will be auth user, auth user, it will be index, okay. Then logout, login of course will be post method, post, and logout also will be post. I'm sorry, login and registration will be also post, and authenticate user will be get, and logout will be post. Okay, logout, right? Registration, login, auth user, and logout. First of all we will make this, then we will make something more. Okay, so go user controller, user controller will be API folder, then user controller. Okay, now we'll make registration method. Okay, this store, public function store. Okay, we are using here user store form. Okay, make request user store. Here is the request. Okay, so we will use user store and it will be request. Right? Okay, now we will validate our data. So will be true and validate name required, email required of course will be unique, table name users. Okay, password is required. Okay. Now validate now we'll go Postman for checking. Okay, registration name is registration, of course will be post, header will be accept, JSON, done. Name field is required, email field is required and password field is also required. Then we will go and create user create spell and name is request name. Okay, sorry, name. Oh no, email and password will be #make now we'll check if user return response JSON auth user message register and user okay. First I have write name, request name, user, password, hash make will be password. If user create, then response else something went wrong. Okay. Now we'll check on Postman. Name, email, password. Just we will refresh our database. Then we'll check here. Okay. Name will be Faisal Ahmed at gmail.com and password will be 1234567 8. Well done. We are make successfully register. Okay. Very good. After successful registration, we will now need login. Okay. Already our route is defined. Method is post. Now login. So public function name is login. We are using here login from request. Okay. Login from request here. Use this login from request and request. Done. Go login from authorize will be true and here email is required, of course will be required, and here will be mail. Okay. Password required. Now we'll check validation is okay or not. Request validate function, right? So login now. Post method and login. Header will be accept JSON. Done. Mail field is required and Password field is also required. Now we'll make credential is request request email and password, right? Okay, now we'll be check is not auth attempt credential, then return response JSON matches unauthorized I'm sorry, it will be 404 401. Okay, if already okay, credential is okay, then will be user $request user. Okay, very good. Now create a token. Token result equal to user create token personal access token. Okay, now token equal to token return response JSON access token equal to arrow token result access token. token type barrier. Carbon parts. Okay, token result token expire at and to date string. Okay, it's done. Now we'll check our database. Email was this email. The email was this email, and password well 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here I have some problem. Okay, just rest sometimes. I will be back. Hey, here was the simple mistake that was a centum. We're using passport, right? So right here passport and try to log in here. Okay, it will be access token. Right, here is the access token, type is barrier token, and expired date. Here is the expired date. Okay, so sometimes if you have remember me token, so what you will do? If request remember token, right? If request, then token will expire. Token equal expire at carbon now add week, almost 1 week. Okay, remember me, so pass here remember me. Okay, token will expire 4/12. Today is 27. Now we should log out, right? already we register and log in. So now we will log out, sorry. Public function logout the token and request token and token and remove, right? Revoke, sorry. Hurry be okay, revoke and return response, of course will be JSON format, okay, and message will be successfully logout. Okay, then here is the token and authorize will be barrier token, is a token, and will be logout, it's a post logout. Okay, gateway is not defined. Auth API. What I do here, just set the middleware, authenticate API middleware, okay, and we'll go right now user controller and we want to see auth user, okay, public function index user equal to auth user, auth user, okay, return response JSON message your auth user and user will be or auth user. Our API is auth user. It's get. Just checking. Login not found. Wait. Sorry. Token header authorize barrier token authenticate user, your auth user, okay. So what I complete here, first register, then login, then logout, then authenticate user. Okay, we can similarize this. Just a format. Okay, and API driver and user controller is authenticate user, and logout user is token remove. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video.